Okay guys, so this is a quick manual how to install the wiring of the new lightweight holder. Written manual will be in a bit. Sorry, we're still struggling with production and various other things. So what you get now with the lightweight holder is the power source and the holder. The holder has 4 wires. The red ones, it's just a loop for the switch that is disconnecting the input into the connector, so that you don't need to worry about plugging the holder direct into the battery, because then you can use the switch to turn the charging on and off independent of your ignition. So in order to plug it in, you need to select the correct output wires on the power source. There's one output short wire and a long wire. The long wire is for the Iter command. If you don't have it, then just tuck it away somewhere and make sure the connector is not exposed to the elements, because it could get shorted. If you can't really find a good place for it under your mask, then at least wrap it with the electrician's tape or something. And the holder plugs into the short output from the power source, and the red cables, they are designed to mate with the input wire. The female is covered by the silicone sleeve. You plug it into the red input wire, which leaves you one black and one red. Red, of course, positive, like always, black negative or ground. So you plug into appropriate port on your bike or wire it directly to the battery. It's your choice. Yeah, so I think it's pretty straightforward and simple. Hopefully this makes sense. Thanks. Bye.